Good morning, student. This is your math period. So today we will continue division. In the previous video, you have learnt about the division, how we divide the number. Division is the repeated subtraction. Now we will learn some new facts. Here, here are 6 beads. Okay, how many beads? 6. And these beads divided into two equal groups. Okay, so how many beads we divide in each group? How many group contain, how many balls contain these two groups? So students, first we write 2 in each. Okay, 2 in this, 2 in this. Then we get only 2, so we get 1 and 1. So how many beads we put in each block? 3 and 3. Okay, if we divide 6 by 2, so how many times you read the table of 2, then we get 6. So student, our answer is 3. We read the table of 2. If we read the table of 2 3 times, then we get 6. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 3, 2 2 ja 4, or 2 3s are 6. Okay, so in picture form we divide 3 beads in each group. Or how many groups? 2 groups. Let's see another example. Here are again 6 beads. We have 6 beads, 6 dots, 6 balls, anything you want. And how many groups? 3 groups. How many groups? 3 groups. Here are 6 ball and we have to divide this 6 into divided 6 by 3. So how many times we read the table of 3 to get 6? So let's see. Each box having 2 beads. If we divide these balls equally in 3 groups, so how many balls we have to put in these? 6 balls. And how many groups? 3 groups. And each group having how many balls? 2 balls. Then our answer is 2. Our answer is 2. If we divide 6 by 3, so our answer is 2. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. So student, if we write this, okay, your sum is this. So how many times we read the table of 3 to get 6? 2 times. Then we divide it equally. Let's see some other. Here are 8 dots, 8 balls and 2 blocks. We read the table of 2. Okay. Yes, you can see here are 2 groups. Okay, two groups and each group having four ball equally. If we divide it equally, division means equally division. Okay, so if we divide into two groups, 8 ball into two groups, then we put four blocks, four balls in each group. So it means our answer is 4. If we divide, if we put 4 balls in each group, so our division is completed. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6 and 2 4 ja 8. So our answer is 4. So let's see another example. Here are here are also 8 divided by 2, but here are 8 divided by 4. It means 4 columns. We have 4 columns and we put 8 balls in 4 column equally we have to put the number. Okay, so we got 1 1 1 1. Okay, now 4 is completed. Again we have put 1 1 1 1. So in 4 blocks we have 4 blocks, we have 8 balls. If we put 2 balls in each group, 2 balls in each group, so we needed 2 balls each group to divide equally. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Student, when you multiply, when you doing the multiplication, then what will you do? What you will do? You will like we write here, you have to read the table of 3. How many times? 2 times. 2 times you have to read the table of 2 in the sum of multiplication. 3 2s are 6. But in division, if we write 2, okay, divided by 2. So it means 2 divided by 2, we read the table of 2 one time. In this case, we have to read the table 2 times. But in this case, we have to read the table of 2 to get to. Okay, to get to. मतलब हमें जब मल्टीप्लिकेशन में उतनी बार टेबल पढ़ना होता है जितना नंबर ऊपर लिखा है, बट डिवीजन में हमें तब तक टेबल पढ़ना होता है जब तक कि वो नंबर आ ना जाए. ओके, सो इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन. 2 like if we write 4, okay, the answer is 2. 8 minus 4, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Okay, we have to read the table till we get 0. Okay, तब तक हमें पढ़ना होता है कि जब तक वही नंबर जो लिखा है वो ना आ जाए. सो आई होप you will try to understand. See another example. We have 10 balls. We have 10 balls. We have 5 blocks. We have to divide these balls to put it here. So how many balls comes equally in these 5 groups, in these 5 box? So 1 1 1 1 1. So 1 2 3 4 5, 5 balls. Finish. Then again we have 5. 1 1 1 1 1. Okay. So students, how many balls we have to put in each block? 2. Then how many times we read the table of 5? Then we get 10. 2 times. Okay. 2 times. So student, do these exercise yourself. If you don't understand, then ask me. Okay. Do this, this and this. Thank you. Have a nice day.